Take a ride in the 2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.